Max was a curious and inventive young boy who loved to tinker with gadgets in his cozy attic workshop. One day he had an idea that would change his life forever. He decided to build a time machine. With a toolbox full of spare parts, wires, and determination, Max set to work. After days of tinkering, connecting, and testing, Max finally finished his time machine. It was a curious-looking contraption, with blinking lights, spinning gears, and a big red button labeled Time Travel. With a mixture of excitement and nervousness, Max pressed the red button. Suddenly, the room around him swirled and twirled, and before he knew it, he found himself in a completely different place. A bustling medieval town. Max had traveled back in time to the age of knights, castles, and jousting tournaments. Amazed by the sights and sounds around him, he quickly realized that his time machine had worked. But he also knew he needed to be careful not to interfere with history. As Max explored the medieval world, he met a young squire named Henry who was struggling to find his courage. Max decided to help Henry by sharing stories of bravery and determination from his own time. Inspired by Max's tales, Henry entered the jousting tournament with newfound confidence and won the admiration of everyone. Max's next adventure took him to the future, where he encountered flying cars, holographic displays, and robots that could cook dinner. He marveled at the technological wonders and made friends with a young inventor named Ava. Together, they solved a puzzle that had stumped scientists for years, earning Max a place in future history books. Throughout his time-traveling escapades, Max learned valuable lessons about friendship, courage, and the importance of being true to oneself. He discovered that every era had its challenges and triumphs, and that the human spirit remained constant across time. After many exciting adventures, Max decided it was time to return to his own time. With a bittersweet farewell, he stepped back into his attic workshop, time machine in hand. Max realized that while he had traveled to different eras, his greatest adventure was the journey of self-discovery. He now understood that the real magic of time travel was the opportunity to learn, grow, and make a positive impact on the lives he touched. And so, with a smile and a heart full of memories, Max put his time machine away, knowing that the adventures of the past and future would forever live within him. The Adventures of Max and the Time Machine is a tale of exploration, friendship, and personal growth that takes readers on a journey through time and imagination. This is Joy Storyland Stories for you. Thank you so much for watching.